Hello all, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be demonstrating how we can bypass the latest Windows Defender running on a fully updated Windows 11 machine and execute a Meterpreter reverse shell using Python and also via an independent exe binary program. We will be following this blog post which I have found a few months back but didn't have the time to give it a try. Basically, it is using Python to perform shellcode injection via Windows API directly through the ctypes library. To be honest, I was quite surprised that a basic code injection template could work, and more surprised that after compiling the Python script to an exe file, it was working as well against Windows Defender, especially since we are using the infamous Meterpreter reverse shell and not something commercial like Cobalt Strike. So let's follow the blog post and generate a Python formatted Meterpreter reverse shell shellcode with msfvenom. Let's format the msfvenom command first to something like this. We will need to change the L host to our Kali attacker IP address and also the L port to something else like 8443. Since this is a stageless payload, the output is huge. This will be tedious to copy and paste. Let's open up another console and spin up a Meterpreter listener. Copy the translated Python code as shown in the blog post and let's remove the buff variable values. We have to put our own shellcode here. As explained earlier, the output shellcode generated by msfvenom is huge and it is difficult to copy and paste. Let's improvise the script and have the Python script load the shellcode buff value from a remote HTTP server instead. We can do it with a few simple lines of Python code like this. Let's not forget to import the necessary URL lib request library as well above. Alright, this should do it. Now let's hop over to another Kali console and set up a HTTP web server with Python. Our Python script will be fetching the shellcode remotely from our web server. Now let's transfer the Python script over to our Windows machine. Alright, no detections so far. Let's give it a manual scan as well just to be sure. Now let's execute it with Python. Awesome. We can see that it fetches our shellcode and on our Meterpreter listener, we have a callback. We have successfully bypassed Windows Defender and obtained a functional Meterpreter reverse shell. Nice. Now, you might ask, what if our victim does not have Python installed? We can simply package the Python script into an independent exe file and have our victim execute the exe file. One simple way to do this is via py-installer. Py-installer will package your Python script along with all of its dependencies into a standalone exe program. Now let's use py-installer to package our Python script into an exe file. Alright, so this review file dialog is expected since we have automatic submission turned off. We can simply dismiss it. Sweet. The exe file has been written successfully and there were no Windows Defender detections. Let's perform an additional manual scan just to be sure. All good. Now let's try to execute it. Nice. We have successfully bypassed Windows Defender again, and this time round we have executed an exe file instead of a Python script. This is great. Alright all, this is it to the video. All of the references shown will be provided in the video's description, so be sure to check it out. Here is a quick shout out to everyone who have donated to my channel so far. Thank you and I really appreciate it a lot. I hope you have found the video to be useful. Thanks for watching and please help to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will really help out the channel a lot. Thanks all, I appreciate it and we'll see you all soon in the next one. Bye.